Yeah, greetings, family. You know, say, every time I dig up this pastor here, Kevin O. Smith, me realize say man was a real big man in a game. And me now put past say assassinate that Virginia. Fit things not come out. Yeah, Ganti, come find some video where me and make you see my lad for sure you see the man I move like a real Dan Corleone. Real big man in the game. Just stick with me and make we talk about it, family. Yeah, no, me can't believe that the man was such a big man in the game. Greetings, and salutations to all nation. Ladies and gentlemen, you know I'm Rastafari, soldier of Deep Roots TV. Thank you for tuning in today, giving me the moment to talk to you. Yeah, go ahead and subscribe, like, and share if you have not subscribed, like, and share it yet. And we're talking about the cold pastor out of Albion, Montego Bay. Yeah, we are talking about down at St. James. And me not telling no lie, people. The man shocked my island with the performance of these cold rituals, much less, you know, to have been doing this in the public for so long. And it appears that him is a real big man. Cause me have a video right here so with him where really people you can see say the man is a real big man. Now this video I did get it off of his YouTube, which you know I'm surprised it's here. And you know, so me find the YouTube from last week, people, and when I go there back again now, the YouTube gain about 1,000 subscribers and more views. So that is a thumbs up for him. And hopefully him can go and smile now say him YouTube channel a grow. But anyway, my family and friends, I want to see how this man has been treated. You are going to by his congregation. I mean, a top man. So, with no further ado, my people, I want to know for pre how Kevin I get treated by him congregation family. Alright, this is Kevin. They say it's his 8th year of enthronement. Yaganti, me think the enthronement was for like the Pope or for a king or a queen. But check out that video, yeah. The man have police escort. Yaganti, you know see what I go on? Video I edit, aerial shots, music I play, traffic I get stopped, him come through. Oh no, I see what I go on. Now it's obvious at the third city. Cause me now put girl to go be over Spanish Town, the original place where the dead body found, or the Kingstown. Right now we are on the town. So look there. The man are like superstar, brother. You know see what I go on? The church congregation did they wait for him. People, you overstand what me I say. A superstar get the treatment to your family. This is girl kid up here, you know. And them say they must celebrate him 8th year of enthronement. Look on the crowd where the man get. The man a pull up in a limousine. And I get celebrated like he's a king. But we are find out he might have been a queen, depending on how these times are running today's days. But me I tell you about His Excellency, because that's how I call him, the excellent Dr. Kevin O. Smith. Yeah, the cold pastor. Me I show you some footage where me find family and friends. And me I tell you, say, the man look, I move like him a big dad. A big dad. Look the family. The man get police escort, 2 limousine. Yaganti. When the angle shots, the man get people outside with balloon. I wave him on like say man is a big superstar. Yaganti. So I and I man know you've been wondering who he are. Cause me I wonder who he are also. Because I'm going to talk man, me and them say being the man and them man they and Sizzler and them man, they get them your reception. The man have tall long lemon. And beautiful woman dress up in them Sunday best or whatever best. But they're looking decently. Him have a marching band. Him have balloons. It's like him get a parade here. You know see what I go on? And you can say it's the heart of Montego Bay. See police them there. Me wonder which two police them there stealing up people. Me not too want to speculate. Me wonder which two police them there. They on the escort duty. Me wonder if them do other escorting. Yaganti. Because this is amazing. Simply amazing. Yeah. Let me say, like a different multiple angle camera shoot this, you know. Because him have overhead shot, him have down low shot. Yaganti, man roll through in him limousine. Look like it's a Mobay, like it's, you know what I say? Yeah, one of them long hearse looking thing there. I can't believe this a go on. And the people them are go on shock like them don't know this man. This man is well known by top of tops. Well known. Yaganti. See police them the people. Me I wonder who them. Me I wonder who them. You don't know them? If you don't know them, leave a comment, people. For real. Me I wonder who them the police there. Cause them up front, let them have a marching band for the dance. Yo, I want top man out of beer this man. I want top man out of beer. And you fi see building. Look there. Aerial shots. Come on. This is the cold pastor. No man, something no seems right. Him too well be known. Him seems decent to me. Cause I don't know no cold man where I get told limousine parade. I don't know if I'm 8 year of enthronement anniversary and his birthday celebration. I think this was about April 18th or so. But I can't believe that this man are the man them. Then that means the whole community involved in this ritual down at Montego Bay then. Eh? Like a peer cult around Montego Bay then, and that's why Montego Bay is so wicked and bad then. Cause the decent people, them what you think decent, gonna jump a jar around one cold pastor. And then I like them never know what go on them know. Them a congregation. And a 1 or 2 times a year same whole people and literally strip them pan the pulpit, pan the rostrum. Yaganti. And say them need to be cleansed. Me say him all deal with people that pan the menstrual like that too. Shave them off pan the throne, pan the rostrum, or the rostrum. Me don't know how them get pan the rostrum still, you know. Yaganti. Get the rest out of the situation. But people when me talk about, look pan the crowd. We gather for the man. And what the blows and say? Oh, no can't tell me nothing Jamaica. Marching band and everything. Eh? Marching band and the way the man are dealing with it. You not even hardly see Dana thinking people through the window one time. Yaganti, I saw Dana deal with it. There were different levels to the thing. Still, it's actually a great sight for me to see what really are going on in my country. It's an excellent sight, family. To see it. Say, I saw the court man, them get a good warm welcome by the people out there. Women and nobody don't look like a vagabond. Women and children looking good. Look there. Look there. The hot girls them out. Some in a red. Some in a white. Look at the hold on there. Look at the dads. Are the dads that? No, family, we missed the dads. What? A real Dan Corleone. Eh? Come here, watch the whole video for your long to see dads. Look pon the dads. Yo, a gangster smile him a gear, you know. He smile not even real, him just... It not even real, family. Real gangster smile. There he is. Come here, wonder when they in a film. Cause it take a long time. For sure. But you know that's the suspense. We are going. The real Dan Corleone coming through. Kiss me little finger. Yaganti. People, me hear the man must sing it through them too, you know. Guard up, guard up, guard up. Hey, listen. Me are the same. You him protected. And him rated 33rd state of evil. Me no know. Me no know about Uno. Me no in a cultish thing. Me you not talk about it long time. But Uno highlight minority. Or Uno secret society. I want to guard up, go and guard up. Cause no matter how guard I want you did guard. We realize him cult and voodoo are fraud. From you go hurt black women and children. Maybe that's why so many kidnapping is going on in Jamaica, you know, people. Or some cultish thing are going on. Or some blood sacrifice, you know, I deal with the people them. Jah know when me see all of them, they killing the way they are going on Jamaica and the way it's being done, something is wrong and madness are going on. But anyway, I could continue look on how the dads are getting reception. Look all on a nice lady there in a red. Yaganti. And then I saw look at Bugu Yaga, you know me I say. And then I move with it. Celebration for the king. You're looking at a parade being thrown for the cult master in a Montego Bay. Yes, in a 2018, these people. 2018, women, children, police, and other officials are in the march. You can see, look upon the church. Look upon the church. Look on the spot. Look on the money we spend on the church. Eh? No, man. This your man I never just build this your church here. After left in Canada by himself. Like him said, this is his 8th year of enthronement. What shown him sit down pan? What position was this guy holding? Was he the chief spiritual advisor for the Prime Minister of Jamaica? Yeah, him a walk his zugo for the politician them. Him a walk his zugo for the politician them. Eh? I am. Cause me Adams come out in the paper, you know, and people like we go on like say them no know. Say a long time them thing are go on. One of Jamaica's top cop, Adams, come out and say a long time these things are going on. Even the bad man them, the murderers them with the crime, them go see them guzo man for wash it off so them can beat the case. People, are true that? Or at time we are waste. We need to clean up our heart and come. We need a spiritual cleansing out of Jamaica, people. It is unbelievable. We don't need to put the blood down. We don't need to stop make the blood run. We don't need to ease off our sacrificial vibes we on the pan. Because see it, a blood for blood. I pay that on the pan. Look on the church of the cult master. Look at the gathering for the cult master. I don't know what try to say. You don't know this man. You don't know this man. When I see the video, I think I want top entertainer Jamaica forward. I want top politician in our constituency. Do you understand what I mean? I thought it was some top man, top man. Look there. Look there. Hear there. And you believe in this? Look there. No, man. No. People. This your man, your attack, man. This your man, your attack, man. You can't have man do all of that. A blow, trumpet, a hand, Like see how is the coming of the angel of God or something like that. Then you know sight what go on. Say this your man you attack man. Yo, me I tell you so when me come up on the footage. See pretty girl them there wait for him. I don't call you only thing. The only thing we don't need to do is go kiss him little finger you now. Hey look at you them. Nah man, this your man you attack man brother. This your man you attack man. And now the top man no come out, you know, cause a little celebration of you go on. Look out upon this girl here, she get down in it, you know. People for some reason, the ladies them always in the middle of the arms house, you know. Cause first of all, they can't help it, that them bring we come and them always take we out most of the time. But I'm telling you, when we look in a congregation, I pay a nice ladies in a congregation, I pay a woman. So me understand why the man them are going. Cause them say if you get a good woman, you have to go to church. You're gonna take for what it's worth. See it there? You to beat jump. Man a video from different angles. Then you know sight what go on. A top man them ya. A top man pull up in a limousine and just sit down out there so and I eat crumpets and I drink some tea. And I look through the window and I say, oh, this make them go on celebrate for your next 5-10 minutes now. Yeah, and then when him ready, him come out and meet the subjects. A real tapanaris this year, brother. Real tapanaris. Me can't believe it. The man them have parade for the court master. I don't know how go on like on the door. No, the court master. What kind of disaster this year bring forward in a Jamaica, man? Look on the woman them. Look on the little picnic them. Look on them. Look like a nice and decent people. Look on the congregation. No. Me a looking. Who this I wanna know? I bishop. Oh, that woman ya. Me a here see I wanna I'm best friend or some friend thing. Hold on there. Maybe I hear my lead. Maybe that one ya the next one. Yeah. Listen people. Them people are real evil. Me I go slide it back again because I know I don't want to see it again. Listen. Me don't understand how Jamaicans can be a Jamaica and I bring them picnic to the line like a lamb to slaughter. To the line like a lamb to slaughter, cause right now you're there on the line. You're there on the border. Any border. You're there on the border of madness. You're there on the border of stupidity. You're there on the border of just pure idiotness. You're there on the border of being devilish, cultish, wicked, evil. You are on the border of total psychopathicness. Because uno can't know say man they at church a strip off little boys and girls and a shave them even when them are on their menstrual. Uno nasty beyond nasty. I wanna have a little picnic them out there. I wanna see what to do. I wanna dress up. Look when I want to fix her here. You see her? She'll make sure she pretty. But me don't know if she can get pretty because her time a pass. See, then she said he might come out. Yeah, you see how them excited? Family and friend. I don't know, joking thing this. A serious negligence. Every 43 of them court member there. Name shouldn't get released. And them get charged with child endangerment. You are going to forming a cult and assisting the court master in commit murder. Them all should be charged, man. At least with negligence. All of them, they picking now where them take away and go in a government place. Them are going to be psychologically traumatized. Me I tell you straight up, me not ask you. Because the entire country, the entire church, the entire Christian diaspora out of Jamaica is traumatized right now. Cause look there. You see how them a superstar this, you know? Them man locked no forward out of vehicle yet, you know. And we got probably about 13 minutes in the video. The man have a long multi-camera angle shot video thing and as have it thing title say, yo, His Excellency's 8-year anniversary enthronement. Yaganti. And this birthday party. So it's a big celebration. The man them get 2 limousine. I'm surprised them never have helicopter. Them have multiple camera, aerial shots. See it there? See the people them look happy to me, man. They look happy like they willingly join the cult and go out there. See it there? Look on the long limousine where the dads are come out at. Blast and skirt. Pay the big man. Real big man. Yaganti. This is Kevin O. Smith. The farmer. Kevin O. Smith. Yeah. The leader. Yes, of that pathway. International Resurrection Ministry. Down there in Montego Bay. Them say Albion. St. James. But me I tell you say I'm Megla the city. Long limousine pull up with the dads. The dads not come out yet. Look here, rotted. Hold on the people. Did you see that, people? It's like a superstar. Me tell you, see I come out of the vehicle. A time for the Don Corleone. The pinky ring dads. The man with the guard ring. The head of the Pathway International Resurrection Ministry cult. The king of cults. The honorable, the excellent Kevin O. Smith is about to make his appearance. Look for the man. A hype crowd like it's a star. Look here. You see that? Real mafia forward, brother. Look there. The real mafia forward. The funny one I read just over there jump for joy. Like see a star just forward, brother. Look on the crowd. Aerial shot. The man I get edited. You know what I'm saying? Multiple camera organization and the man them are editing the thing. From top to bottom, lower front. Oh, people. I don't know normal man this. I don't know normal man this. The mania obia. Voodoo, whatever you call it. Cultish, aroma, appearance, anything what you can call it. Guarantee? A kick. It a kick. A it. Listen. No, man. Not even being in Missy get the awards or them reception there, brother. No. You can't tell me nothing. Look there. When you look on all that they seen there, you can't tell me see I don't know big movie star that family. You can't tell me see I don't know top dads. You can't tell me see I don't know Don Corleone. You can't tell me see I don't know gangster that. Look for the man. How I don't know, man? A ramp with Kevin O. Smith. Eh? Look there. I pin the man I get pin on. How I do you, man? The man everything like I am harm. You can see, like these are my harem. And these are my subjects. How do you man banana play for the dance like say, look there. Camera up close to ramp with the ghost. You can see right now the man a laugh. And I'm making a noise say. Me leave me dance chip. Look, the man. Yo, hold on. Wait. A dignitary thing. No. Family. On here say the national anthem, the man, a dignitaries get them your treatment, your brother. Listen, you think I joke? See it from the part they command me know. From them keep me from the weeble flower. From them put in the keep me from the weeble flower. Me know it. You can't mistake me with no Jamaican yam them. And what do you man Jamaican yam them? You have to hear that. Weeble flower. Long time. Long time. See that's there. Look on the boss of boss. Look on him smile, man. The man knows see all aerial shot. Me don't know if a helicopter did up there a drone. You can think I'm here also nice. I say how you mean? Me hearing nice. So I am not sure if His Excellency Dr. Kevin O. Smith did have aerial helicopter or drone. But me see aerial shots are editing. Look on the big man. Yo, on have to pay the big man. Pay the big man. I don't never want pay the big man. To keep the secrets so him they don't leak. So like gonna wipe out the big man. Cause this I don't know regular pastor people. I don't know regular pastor. Them man you supposed to left Canada and still look like him and live in Canada. Look on him. No foreign with it. The camera tight, no foreign with it. A ears ring him have on nice glasses and set so and set so. And what the other mama they have all in pinky ring guard up. Door ramp with the dogs. You hear that? Boss! Boss! From your reach to the grand throwaways now from above, you know. You know, say your thing seal up, rail up. People, I just have to try to do this a little bit different. Have a little spin. See if me can have it more, comical, because at the end of the day, me cannot believe say Jamaicans are practice cultism in a Mobay in the wide open with man in all in a tie and suit and pretty woman in a dress and then thing there and picnic and they look decent and normal. So I don't know if I've just flip this man flip out one day or this really has been going on. Like my people say, how can decent looking people like this join cult? How can decent people like this go to church and man a chat about blood of a run, somebody have to sacrifice, an archangel cut off throat, and them think they wanna sit down, all make police come catch him? This was a perfect chance for a crucifixion. Listen to me, people. We're looking at the late Kevin O. Smith, title himself excellent, and he have a DR in front of him. A bishop, a pastor has laid his sheep out in the meadow and have lost them. Or they have lost him. Because it appears that he had a good following. I don't know if he was really doing these cultish things all the time, but I heard other people said he was reported before to the Hunts Bay police. He was reported before for lewd and lascivious nakedness in front of children and cultish activity. Yeah. But it appears this guy is bigger than the congregation or the police station. The mama tune say who is higher than high? Who is higher than high? Well, me not think none of them higher than me most of the time because the chalice them keep us on the levels. Because Rasta keep off the ground on purpose, not to be saturated with the mud and the dirt, the filth on the ground. So we just have to hold a higher meds. But this young man here are top down. Look on him. What? Top down. Top down Corleone. You can't tell me nothing. See an American gangster movie this. You cannot tell me nothing. This is not a black gangster movie. The man pull up in a what? Limos. 2, not 1. Multiple camera angles. Multiple arms. Ladies waiting on him to pin on flowers. And men and children gallivanting cheerfully. Playing even a band. People with cymbals and, you know me, I say, ear horns and all kind of thing. Drums are beat. It's like a parade. In the middle of Montego Bay. While being escorted by JCF. The Jamaican Constable Force. Oh, no, can't tell me nothing. Something in a something. You see that? I saw me know him a swim long time. So I'm happy with him and them. Watch her now. The woman are right there patiently waiting. Like him all a put on the hat wrong. Look there. Look how him look like him all hug the little lady and him just move off. Look here. Just pat. Hold on. Like him touch her. Hold on. Him touch her actually. Shocking. Like him brush her at the back and below too. Look on him now. Yeah. Pure smiles and charms. Yeah. I'm friend that what may I tell you about. See her there on the right. So I don't know if you heard anything from her. Come see her upon Dr. Love and there's certain things that, you know, I'll allow you to watch yourself. But at the end of the day, people, I'm looking at the extravaganza. The extravaganza. Look on the church. I am named upon the church, you know. Kingdom. And it's a restoration ministry. You can see? And then below this up. Come I can't see it over here so too good. Me see His Excellent Dr. O. Smith birthday. I film church this. Me think I did one regular itsy bitsy church. This here church is not afforded by one man. This church is afforded by a organization or a corporation or some big heavy donors. Y'all gonna take. Ladies and gentlemen, yeah, that's why me don't stop it. Because we know why I'm pulling it too further, because I am totally shocked, ladies and gentlemen. To figure say that man is a big key player in the Mobay area. A big key player in a Jamaica, in a high society circle. Him look like high society. Dress and a move like high society. Someone wanting to know, let me know. What do you think happened? Who is really Kevin O. Smith? Because all this time I've never heard of him. And every day it's something new of him. New pictures, new videos, new personnels of high caliber in society. Whether it's artists, politicians, bankers, you know, different church members of high congregation, police, legal people. Listen, Montego Bay no good again. Jamaica no good again. I don't know what they're going to do to make the church good again. I'm Rastafari Soldier, ladies and gentlemen of D-Pro TV. Go ahead and hit that red subscribe button. Share this content for me. Yeah, and most importantly, go ahead and communicate with me. Leave your comment. Give me a thumbs up. Yaganti Because that's how we going to get the channel to grow. Share this file with a friend. Y'all got faith. And then share it again. I'm Rastafari soldier. Yeah. Fire upon them. More life, more joy. Yeah. More happiness.